Hi students, welcome to third standard science class video session, lesson 6, different foods we eat. In today's session, we are going to learn protective food. The protective food, they contain the nutrients, vitamins and minerals. Let us go into the session.
In this session, we are going to learn lesson 6, different foods we eat. Topic, protective food. Some foods protect our body from various diseases. They are called protective foods. These protective foods are rich in nutrients known as vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are needed by our body in very small quantities, but are essential for our body to function properly. Minerals are needed for growth and functioning of our body. Vitamins keep our body parts like eyes, bones, teeth, blood, and skin healthy. Different vitamins are needed by our body for different purposes. Children, do you know fruits and vegetables, they contain lot of vitamins and minerals. Now let us learn about some of the vitamins and their uses and sources. Vitamin A, used to keep our eyes and skin healthy. The sources of vitamin A: milk, carrot, butter, cheese, and eggs. Vitamin B, it helps us to grow and feel energetic. Vitamin B it will contain in whole grain cereals, bread, butter, meat, rice and milk. Vitamin C, it helps to keep teeth and gums healthy. Lemon, orange, tomatoes and amla, they are rich in vitamin C. Next, let us learn about vitamin D. It makes our bones strong and healthy. Milk, fish, yogurt and the sun rays are rich in vitamin D. The sun is the natural source of vitamin D. Next, let us learn about vitamin E. Vitamin E keeps our skin healthy. Vegetable oils, nuts like almonds, green leafy vegetables, they are rich in vitamin E. Next, let us learn about vitamin K. Vitamin K helps to heal our injuries fast. Spinach, cabbage, mustard, and green peas are rich in vitamin K. So, children, a vitamin is an organic molecule that is an essential micronutrient which an organism needs in small quantities for proper functioning of its metabolism. Vitamins and minerals are considered essential nutrients because acting in concert they perform hundreds of roles in the body. They help shore up bones, heal wounds and bolster your immune system. They also convert food into energy and repairs cellular damage. Vitamin A, good for healthy eyes and general growth and development, including healthy teeth and skin. B vitamins, good for energy productions, immune functions and iron absorption. Vitamin D helps our bodies absorb calcium, which is important for bone health. Minerals are those elements on the earth and in food that our bodies need to develop and function normally. Those essential for health include calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, chloride, magnesium, iron, zinc, iodine, etc. Minerals of food. Minerals are found in food like cereals, bread, meat, fish, milk, dairy, nuts, fruits, and vegetables. We need more of some minerals than others. For example, we need more calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and chloride than we do iron, zinc, iodine. There are two kinds of minerals. They are macro minerals and trace minerals. You need large amount of macro minerals. They include calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, iron, potassium, chloride, and sulfur. This picture shows the food which are rich in iron. These food items are rich in the mineral calcium. So children, the protective foods are rich in the nutrients known as minerals and vitamins. Minerals are needed for growth and functioning of our body. Iron and calcium are two important minerals needed by our body. Iron is needed to make blood in our body, and calcium is needed to build strong teeth and bones. All green leafy vegetables and many fruits such as apple give us iron. We get calcium from milk, curd, and cheese.
I hope you got clear information about protective food. Thank you children. Have a nice day.